Side hustle I wish I knew earlier, part 4. And this is gonna be great if you are broke and don't have a lot of time on your hands. Let me show you how. Google Amazon affiliates and then click on the first link that pops up right here. Sign up and create a free account. Next, go to Pinterest and then create a free business account. And once you do that, you're gonna go to analytics and then you're gonna go to trends. And here you're gonna find trends and keywords that people are searching for on a monthly basis. For this example, I'm gonna go with patio. Go back to Amazon and then type in patio furniture. There's a lot of products that you can choose from, but choose one with a lot of good reviews. Here's a great example. I'm gonna choose this product. Once you're on the page of the product, you're gonna go all the way to the top and then you're gonna click on text and then we're gonna copy this link. This is your affiliate link that's unique to this product. Through this link, Amazon will know how much to pay you. Go back to Pinterest and then create an idea pin. You're gonna add the picture of the product. In the title, you're gonna add the keyword which we found from Pinterest. Add a brief description. You can get the listing from Amazon as well. This is where you're gonna put your Amazon affiliate link. This is super important and this is how you're gonna get paid, everyone. Now, every time somebody clicks on your pin and goes and buy that product, you get paid a commission. Simple, huh? If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give me a like and also follow for more. If you want to learn how I make thousands of dollars using this method, click the link in my profile and watch the free training that I have for you.